Welcome to another informative video, where we'll be uncovering the secret sauce that transforms a good facility manager into a great one. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the key differences between being proactive and reactive in facility management. You'll learn how to stay ahead with effective planning, tackle potential issues with confidence, and manage your team for success. So, let's get started. Ever wondered what truly sets apart a good facility manager from a great one? The key difference lies in being proactive rather than just reactive. Let's dive into what makes a great facility manager stand out. First off, while good facility managers are busy putting out fires on a daily basis, the great ones are always a step ahead, thinking about prevention. They keep their team well organized with a clear log of all work for clients, always knowing their next major tasks, how much time and money they're spending, and ways to improve their workflow. This shift from a reactive to a proactive mindset is crucial. Next, consider the approach to potential issues, like an HVAC system breakdown. Good facility managers might just hope it doesn't happen, but the great ones? They already have a plan in place for such scenarios. It's important to note that about 80% of maintenance issues can't be prevented by regular preventative maintenance alone, so having a solid action plan is essential. Lastly, let's talk about team management. Good facility managers oversee their technicians, but great facility managers empower them to be autonomous and continually strive for improvement. They pave the way for their team to navigate challenges independently without needing to hold their hand every step of the way. And there you have it. Being a top-notch facility manager is all about being prepared, empowering your team, and thinking ahead. If you're looking to enhance your facility management skills, consider using a CMMS, or facility management software system like UpKeep, designed specifically to help facility managers excel in their roles. Remember, great management is proactive, prepared, and empowering. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of proactive versus reactive facility management, the importance of planning, and the power of an empowered team. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information on facility management and how UpKeep can help you excel in your role, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you on your journey to becoming a great facility manager.